आप डरो मत, ठीक है। पकड़ो से, ऐसे खड़े हो जाओ, ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर ऐसे, ठीक है ना। साथ ही आगे, सीना आगे, ऐसे ऐसे, डरना नहीं। बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे हैं आपको, आप डरो मत, ठीक है। इंट्रोडक्शन। सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, वी आर बैक हियर विद ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स। सो दिस टाइम वी हैव मोर स्टूडेंट्स देन बिफोर। सो यू नो, लास्ट संडे वी केम हियर फॉर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग in Rishikesh. We have a huge gathering over here. People from all around are watching us do this activity, and we are doing this just for our students so that they get more confidence. And the similar kind of activity, if you also do at home, if you are learning a language or maybe you want to develop your confidence level, definitely this activity will be so beneficial. So Shilpa, what do you say? Is that going to be beneficial to the students?
Yeah, of course.
In what way?
For like they can remove their hesitation. Yeah, they can speak
With more
front of others.
Right, definitely.
Yeah.
So I think we should start, everyone. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Hello everyone. So I would like to talk about my favorite place in Uttarakhand. So my favorite place in Uttarakhand is Rishikesh.
Loudly.
It is very beautiful city. It is located in Rishikesh.
Our voice needs to be recorded.
Many peoples.
Okay, then start
live
again.
here.
Start again and
Loudly.
yes, on this camera.
Hello everyone.
Your voice has to get captured. Come on. Speak loudly.
Hello everyone. I would like to talk about my favorite city in Uttarakhand. So my favorite city is Rishikesh. It is located in Uttarakhand. It is very beautiful city. It is very beautiful city. Many people live here. Most of the people believe in Shiva in Rishikesh. There is a statue of Shiva in Tirvani Ghat and Lakshman Jhula also. And there is a big Ganga which comes from mountains. And this city, and there is Lakshman and Ram Jhula are very famous. Many people come from abroad to see it, and some people, and this city calls the city of the sages, and I love this city. That's all about it.
Very good.
Done. Good job, Anushka. Thank you so much. Okay.
Now
Hello, good afternoon. I would like to talk about my favorite place in Uttarakhand. My favorite place in Uttarakhand is Dehradun. It is the capital of Uttarakhand. Dehradun is very big and very beautiful. In Dehradun, some places are very famous, and the names of the places are Maldevta, FRI, and Sahasdara, etc. There are many schools and big hospital in Dehradun. I like to go there because my grandparents live there. There are many malls in Dehradun. In Dehradun, the education level is very high. I like Dehradun to visit every year. Thank you.
good.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Today I would like to talk about my favorite city in Uttarakhand. So first of all, my favorite city in Uttarakhand is Haridwar. Haridwar is one of the famous religious destinations of the country. It is a small urban city of the located of the foothills of the Himalayas, with the holy gangs running through it. Is gateway to the four pilgrimages of Uttarakhand. Haridwar is also an ancient and one of the famous sacred cities in India. Haridwar is also known as Gangadwar since the holy Ganges river of the Himalayas. After ascending from the Himalayas, and there are many places in Haridwar like Mansa Devi, Chandi Devi, etc. That's all about my favorite city in Uttarakhand. Thank you.
Very good. Now who wants to speak? Simi? Okay. Take this. Can I take? No? Okay.
Oh, okay, that's okay. Let her take the help of our notebook.
Okay, okay. You can.
But speak loudly. Energy level has to be here.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Today I would like to talk about my favorite place in Uttarakhand. So my favorite place in Uttarakhand is Rishikesh. The name of my city is Rishikesh. It is located in Uttarakhand. My city is very big and beautiful. In my city, few places are very located. In my city, some people are devotee of Lord Shivji. There is a big Shivji statue in Haridwar, and a lot of foreigners come on Ram Jhula and Lakshman Jhula for outing. We also have many temples in Rishikesh, and many types of people live here. Most of the people believe in Shiv. That's all about my favorite place in Uttarakhand. Thank you.
Okay, very nice.
Thank you so much. You spoke very well. Please invite the next speaker.
Now, Daksh.
I think
Don't
he
watch.
needs more time to do the presentation.
Okay, Akash, come.
Where are you hiding, man? Come on, fast. Come on. Move back a little bit, guys.
Good afternoon, all of one. Today I would like to talk about how to achieve your goals.
Huh? But you said that you would talk about your favorite place in Uttarakhand.
No, Shilpa ma'am
Fine.
said you can
I'm
choose
sorry,
any
you can-
type of topic. Today I would like to talk about how to achieve your goals. If you want to succeed, first you have to set your goals. Without goals, you lack of focus and directions. If you want to succeed, if you want to accomplish your goals, first you have to know that how to set them. You can't simply say I can, I do, and it will be happen one day. Okay. Your goal, achieving your goals is a process which start from careful consideration of what you want to achieve, and it ends with a lot of hard work. So here are some golden tips which you can apply in your success goals. Okay, first is set your goals that can motivate you. By set it is a most important thing to set your goals, and it is lot of most important things to add some motivate things in your goals. Setting your for example, if anyone asks that what you want to become one day and what that goal benefits you, so you have to convince that people that I want to become this, and that goals motivate me, and one day I will become engineer or doctor and anything. Okay. Second is write your goals. By writing your goals, it really helps you. First thing, you don't have any excuse that I just forgot to read that. Okay, so first you have to write your goals. Second is set smart goals, like set specific goals. The second is set specific goals. Your goals must be well designed, and your goal must be well designed. And second is set your measurable goals. You have to fix a date, so you can done a particular goal at that date at a deadline. It will also helps you to become to complete your goals. And the last one is make action on your goals. Okay, most of people said that I will do that, I will do it one day. First you just write this, and it's time to make action on that goal, so it will help you a lot. And the last is stick with it. You have to stick with your goals. You don't do any type of excuse. You have to done your goal at a time, at a date what you are decide. Thank you.
आप डरो मत, ठीक है? पकड़ो से, ऐसे खड़े हो जाओ, ऐसे ऊपर ऐसे। ठीक है ना, छाती आगे, सीना आगे, ऐसे ऐसे, डरना नहीं, बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे हैं आपको, अब डरो मत, ठीक है। इंट्रोडक्शन स्माइल के साथ, मैं वहाँ पे, कम ऑन।
क्या क्या बोलूँ?
हाँ, माय नेम इज, जो भी आपका इंट्रोडक्शन है, मतलब अपने बारे में, चलो।
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, माय नेम इज
थोड़ा
राहुल।
लाउडली, बहुत अच्छे, आप टेंशन मत करो, मैं आपके साथ।
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, माय नेम इज राहुल कुमार गौतम।
हाँ, माई होम टाउन इज ऋषिकेश। माई होम टाउन
इन ऋषिकेश।
आई स्टडी इन क्लास 9।
आई स्टडी इन क्लास 9th।
अच्छा, आपके हॉबी क्या क्या है वो भी बता दो, चलो।
आई एम आ स्टूडेंट।
हाँ, आपकी हॉबी मतलब क्या करना अच्छा आपको लगता है? आप साइकिलिंग करते हो, मूवी देखते हो, जैसे मुझे साइकिल करना अच्छा लगता है, आपको क्या करना अच्छा लगता है?
आई कैन प्ले।
हाँ, क्या 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 खेलना? पबजी से आई लाइक टू प्ले पबजी।
आई लाइक टू प्ले पबजी।
वेरी गुड। हाँ, आपका फेवरेट फूड क्या है? मुझे जैसे हरी सब्जियाँ अच्छी लगती है, तो आपको क्या लगता है अच्छा?
माई फेवरेट
माई फेवरेट फूड इज़।
हाँ,
क्या है फेवरेट फूड आपका? नॉन वेज में, वेज में? हाँ,
सही कुछ नहीं।
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, चलो डियर। सो डरने का नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं डरना। जब भी आप अगर ऐसे रोज प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आप और भी ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आपके अंदर आएगा। ओके, गुड, वेरी नाइस, क्लैप फॉर हिम एवरीबॉडी। वेरी गुड, जल्दी फास्ट। हाँ, क्या 3 लाइन? हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, 3 लाइन ये पकड़ो आप। क्या?
Hello everyone. I would like to my favorite palace. My favorite place is Rishikesh. Rishikesh is a most popular city.
Very good.
And-
ऐसे ऊपर। हाँ, very good. Come on,
And
continue.
many people live in Rishikesh. That's all about in Rishikesh. Thank you.
Shabash. Very good. So that's it with all the students here today. So all of them are learning. They are beginners. Most of them are beginners. So making mistakes is okay, right? Because when we started learning anything, we make a lot of mistakes, and that's the way we learn and we get better. That's the way we get to the next level. So all of them are beginners. They have just started. Some of them hardly can speak any English right now, but that's okay. That's fine. So the purpose behind bringing them here today in such kind of environment where they speak in front of people was to make them more confident. So you also can do such kind of activity. Initially you will feel uncomfortable, but later on, it will be all okay. Yeah. Because when I did Shilpa for the first time, I did it for the first time back in Delhi. So we went to some mall and it was like it made me terribly nervous. Yeah. But later on, it was all fine. So that's it. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you also do the practice, the same practice. Thank you so much.